time for a fall haul from BelleLily, and I am so excited to show you what I got. Now, BelleLily is an online boutique, and it is BelleLily.com. And right now, if you use my code Katie30, you get 30% off. I am doing this haul in exchange for my honest review, but I will be giving you my honest review. So let's get started, and I'm gonna show you everything that I got. Yay! Hey, pumpkin. Look at how cute this t-shirt is. Super cute. Now, I am wearing a black bra underneath just so you can see what pieces are a little bit sheer. This one is a little sheer, but nothing I would normally worry about. Just wear a light colored bra and you will totally be fine. And hey, pumpkin, that is so cute. Next is this long sleeve, kind of flannel looking, but it has a polyester fill, so it's really nice and soft and comfy. This is a large. And with sizing, I really went off of what the sizing on the website says. So I could really do anything between a medium and a large. So if I wanted it to be a little bit more form-fitting, I went with a medium. And if I wanted it just to be a little bit baggier, a little bit more comfy, I went with the large. So this is the large. Look at how cute that is. Perfect for fall. Here's a nice flowy number. Now this one I did do in a large. I think I could have gone with a medium on this one. It is just a little bit sheer. You can kind of see the outline of my black bra underneath that. But look at how cute. I love the flowy sleeves. Then we have this tricolor piece. It is super, super soft. And this one I did go with the medium, so it's a little bit more form-fitting. And I love the 3 colors. Plus it has the buttons, so I can leave a couple open. Super cute. And there's this cute little black number. Now this is a medium. I'm wishing with this one I would have gotten a large because it is a little bit too fitted. But I love the snaps on the top. Super cute. I like it. I just wish it was a tad bigger. Every fall girly needs a cute cardigan to go with it. Look, it has buttons down the front and pockets. Super, super soft. I do wish it was a little bit thicker, but it is a nice light cardigan. I did go with a large on the cardigan because I wanted it to be a little bit bigger, more comfy and cozy. And that fits perfectly. And we have a cozy little hoodie dress. It's like a textured, not quite knit, but really soft. And it is super cute. This is super cozy, perfect for fall, maybe some Ugg boots, a scarf. It does have a hood. So cute. So many cute ways you could style this with a belt or just be cozy and just wear this. Ooh, I love this shirt. Another really soft shirt, and this is a medium. Fits me perfectly as a medium, not too big, not too small. That is super cute. And this cute little flannel number. Now this is a large, and this is real flannel. It's not printed, but it is still super soft and cozy. And I really like it with the leggings. I think you could easily wear it without leggings or with leggings, but it's a super cute top. Great way to stay warm and cozy with the leggings. Super cute. Has buttons and a little tie on the front. No pockets. I love this one. And then last but not least, I love this. It's like a waffle fabric. Again, super duper soft. And oh, it's just so cozy. I love the black shoulders. Fits super well, not too tight, not too loose. And I love this. This is a medium as well. And you guys, those are all the pieces. Aren't they all so fun? Which one was your favorite? Make sure to go to BelleLily.com, BelleLily.com, and use the code Katie30 for 30% off. You guys, you're gonna love your new wardrobe. You are, you're gonna love it.